Struggling to get or maintain an erection? Before you rush to pills or gimmicks, try this ancient massage trick that's been used for centuries and often gets results in minutes. Today I'll show you exactly how to do it safely and effectively. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and on this channel we give men over 50 real practical solutions, no shame, no hype. This technique comes from traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic practices. Modern science confirms it boosts circulation and nerve signaling, key drivers of strong erections. Why this works? Circulation. Improved blood flow to the pelvic region. Nerve stimulation. Activates key nerves that trigger arousal. Relaxation response. Lowers stress hormones that inhibit erections. Think of it as a quick tune-up for your erection mechanism. Step 1: Preparation. Find a quiet, warm space. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Warm your hands by rubbing them briskly. Step 2: Lower abdomen press. Place your fingertips just below the navel. Apply gentle, firm pressure while breathing deeply. Press inward and downward toward the pubic bone. And hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Release slowly and repeat in a clockwise circular motion. Step 3: Spleen 6-point stimulation. Locate SP6. About 4 fingers width above the inner ankle bone, along the back of the tibia. Use your thumb to apply steady, firm pressure for 30 seconds. Release and repeat on the other leg. Step 4: Perineum massage. Place 2 fingers at the perineum, between scrotum and anus. Gently press and circle for 30 seconds, then tap lightly for another 30 seconds. Breathe deeply to enhance the relaxation response. Step 5: Kidney 3-point stimulation. Find K3 in the hollow between the inside ankle bone and Achilles tendon. Apply firm pressure with your thumb for 30 seconds. Switch sides. Integrating breath and focus. Deep breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Mind-body connection. Visualize blood flowing into the pelvic area on each inhale. Stay present. Let go of performance anxiety. Focus on sensations. Tips for best results. Perform this routine daily, or 10 to 15 minutes before intimacy. Use light oil or lotion to reduce friction. Stay consistent. Improvement accumulates over days. Combine with healthy habits. Exercise, hydration, balanced diet. So if you can't get hard, give this ancient massage trick a try right now. If it helped, hit like, subscribe for more no BS men's health hacks, and share this with a friend who needs a natural boost. Want to go deeper? Watch our next video. Penis not getting hard? Try this circulation boosting massage. See you there. And here's to stronger, healthier erections at any age.